Here we've got Xiaomi POCO X4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper. And here you can pick the source that you'd like to choose your wallpaper from. So you've got pre-installed, live wallpapers, recently used, local photos, then some online wallpapers, online albums. Here you've got super cool pictures to apply it as your home screen. Just whatever you want to have on your display, you can check all of them this way. If you will open okay, so that was just some ad. If you would like to open the categories, just click on categories, and then, for example, if you would like to pick texture, here you've got all the options. And let me pick, for example, this one. Then tap on apply, decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And I will pick both. And as you can see, it has been changed. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can manage your wallpaper and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.